Question number 14. Dharma and karma are partners sharing profit and losses in their capital ratio. So यहाँ पे प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो जो है वो है कैपिटल रेशियो. तो चेक कर लेते कैपिटल क्या है. 1,40,000 is to 1,20,000, so 14 is to 12, so 7 is to 6. लिख दो. From the following information, prepare final accounts. Okay. Drawings, we'll go to over here. We have current account. We already know. So it will go to current account. तो इसमें भी कुछ नहीं करना. Opening stock trading, purchase trading, goods return credit. You can see now goods return credit is a debit balance. So it is sales return minus from sales. Sales को tick. Receivable, यानी debtors, our asset. Now salary up to 28 to 2017, यानी 11 months. कैसे 11 month? 31st March, यानी मार्च महीना का सैलरी अभी तक पे किया नहीं है. तो that is 13,200 is for 11 months. So 1 month is outstanding. So mark it as a hidden adjustment. H लिख दो. Okay, then machinery office, asset, depreciation on machine. Now let's check, is there some percentage given? Yes, it is given. So we add this to depreciation. इसको यहाँ पे हम प्लस कर देंगे. Okay, तो इसको अभी रिकॉर्ड करना नहीं है, प्लस कर देना है. Building, asset, wages, trading, insurance premium, profit and loss, interest or discount allowed, profit and loss, interest on loan, profit and loss, furniture, asset, stationery expense, profit and loss, advertisement expense, profit and loss, cash balance, asset, current account dharma, current account में चला जाएगा, debit balance है. Okay, so this is our debit balance. Then कैपिटल. नाउ कैपिटल फिक्स कैपिटल मेथड है यहाँ पे और कोई भी कैपिटल का एडजस्टमेंट नहीं है. सो डायरेक्टली इसको बैलेंस शीट में ट्रांसफर कर देंगे. गुड्स रिटर्न डेबिट इज परचेज रिटर्न माइनस फ्रॉम परचेज. सो टिक परचेज. पेबल्स, लायबिलिटी, सैलरी आउटस्टैंडिंग, liability, loan of अच्छा salary outstanding. You can see के hidden adjustment में भी salary outstanding है तो हम इसको टिक कर देते हैं. inner column में लिख देंगे हम ये. ठीक है. Then loan of dharma. Who is dharma? Dharma is our partner. So if loan is given, we have to provide interest at the rate 6%. Again टिक करो. कुछ भी इंफॉर्मेशन दिया नहीं है. सो इट्स अ हिडन एडजस्टमेंट. डिस्काउंट रिसीव्ड, प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस, बैंक ओवरड्राफ्ट, लायबिलिटी. नाउ करंट अकाउंट कर्मा, इट्स अ क्रेडिट बैलेंस. चेक करो ट्रायल बैलेंस टैली. दैट्स रियली नाइस. क्लोजिंग स्टॉक ऑफ 21,000 इन विच स्टॉक ऑफ स्टेशनरी 2,000 is included. तो over here what you have to do is this 2,000 of stationery stock, what is there? Okay, it has to be adjusted from stationery expense. So you take stationery expense also. On machinery, depreciation rate is to be increased up to 10%. Take machinery. Credit sale of 1,000 is recorded in purchase return book by mistake. Now credit sale 1,000 का is recorded in purchase return book. So purchase return book में से remove करना पड़ेगा. So purchase return जो है उसको भी हमें करना पड़ेगा टिक. ओके, इसमें अलग से एडजस्टमेंट करना पड़ेगा. So purchase के टाइम पे परचेज रिटर्न को एडजस्ट करना पड़ेगा. इसका एडजस्टमेंट है. क्रेडिटर्स क्रेडिटर्स को टिक करो, पेबल्स, एट द सेम टाइम डेटर्स यानी रिसीवेबल को टिक करो और सेल्स को टिक करो. Okay. 1/4 share of advertisement expense is carried forward to the next year. Advertisement expense को टिक करो. Let's go to current account first. Okay, let's write the opening balance. So we have credit balance of Karma 14,000. So partners current account. Here I need to change the heading then. Dharma and Karma. 14,000. Dharma, we have debit balance 17,000 is to be written over here. This 17,000 is to be written over here. Next, drawings 7,500 and 5,000. Opening stock 15,000. Trading account debit side. Purchases 80,000. Two purchases 80,000. Now we have purchase return adjustments also over here. Okay, so what is given as per our trial balance? Let's write that first. Purchase return amount is 2,000. So inner column 78,000. Leave one line blank for adjustment for a purchase return, wrong purchase return. इसमें ही adjust करेंगे. Okay. Then goods return credit, that is sales return. So we go to sales, trading account credit side by sales. Amount is 1,20,000. Now minus sales return 3,000. We underline it and then again leave one line blank. You can write inner column 117. Receivable 27,400. Again, there is only one tick, single adjustment for unrecorded sales. Inner column. Salary. Now, there is a hidden adjustment also and this has to be transferred to profit and loss. So leave first two lines blank to salary 13,200. Now this salary is for 11 months. It means 1 month salary is outstanding. So 13,200 को 11 से divide करो. 1,200 per month. So plus outstanding 1 month 1,200 total 14,400. Now this is a hidden adjustment. Now, second effect, outstanding salary. We already have outstanding salary in trial balance. So, plus outstanding as per adjustment, $1,200. Inner column. Done outstanding salary, hidden adjustment. Machinery office. Actually in Gujarati medium textbook, from which our English medium textbooks are made. Okay, instead of salary outstanding, it was wages outstanding. But there has been no correction into this. So we follow what is in front of us, that is salary outstanding. So we will add this outstanding salary 1200 to this account only. Then machinery office 71760. Machinery 71760 plus depreciation reverse or added back. इतना depreciation provide किया था जो हमने add back कर दिया 6240. So inner column, do the total 78,000. In this, depreciation on machinery was already provided, but it is not as per 10% because we want to increase the rate to 10%. So जितना भी provide किया था उसको add back कर दिया. Now entry for depreciation is depreciation to machine. When we reverse it, it will be machine to depreciation. यानी this amount of depreciation on machine will be transferred back to machine. Building 80,000. Leave one line blank for machinery depreciation. Wages 1600 trading account. Insurance premium 1800. No adjustment outer column. Discount allowed 3200. Interest on loan 1200. Now interest on loan you can either show it separately for bank overdraft and for partners loan. I would prefer you show it separately rather than adding to it. Okay, so that the clear demarcation is there. Okay, this is interest on loan to outsider and this is interest on loan to partner. Okay, so that's why we are taking it to the outer column. Interest on loan 1200. So interest on loan 1200 we'll write over here. So we'll write interest on bank overdrafts separately from interest on partners loan. Okay. So interest on loan is 1200. Now here we are assuming this loan is basically bank overdraft, which is money we have taken from the bank. There is no clarity given about this. Okay, because just a minute. इसमें बैंक ओवरड्राफ्ट का इंटरेस्ट को लोन ट्रीट किया है। ये सब में ना बहुत एरर्स है बिकॉज गुजराती से इंग्लिश में ट्रांसफर करने में इन्होंने काफी गलतियां कर ली है, तो फिर आंसर मैच नहीं होगा। यू जस्ट वेट जस्ट अ मिनट बिफोर यू प्रोसीड, लेट मी कंफर्म इट। ओके, over here you take interest on loan. Okay, this interest on loan we are assuming as it is interest on partner's loan, and on bank overdraft there is no interest. It's an assumption what we are making in this sum, and we follow the textbook. So interest on loan you take and you write interest on loan in the inner column. Okay, so interest on loan to inner column ही लिखो. Okay, then furniture asset 87,000. Stationery expense inner column 7,000. Okay, then advertisement expense inner column 36,000. Then cash balance 51,200 balance sheet asset. Current account we have already done. Capital account, let's transfer to balance sheet 1 lakh 40, 1 lakh 20. Dharma 1 lakh 20. 2 lakh 60,000. Sales 1 lakh 20 we have already done. Goods return debit we have already done. Then payables 79,000 liability inner column. Creditors then salary outstanding inner column 700 already here 700. So let's do the total 1900. Salary outstanding loan of Dharma 30,000. Inner column, outer column 30,000. Now loan of Dharma 30,000, 6% is the rate of interest. So 30,000 into 6% comes to 1800. But we already have interest on loan of 1200. So outstanding interest is 600. So outer column 1800. Second effect, outstanding interest on loan I'll write over your partner. 600. Discount received 6600. Profit and loss account first two line blank. Then bank overdraft 2800 liability side. Then current account already done. So check कर लो सब कुछ हो गया कि नहीं. Okay. Now let's go to adjustment. Closing stock is of 21,000 in which stock of stationery 2,000 is included. So we will keep that aside, stock of stationery, and closing stock of goods we consider it as 21 minus 2, which is 19,000. So trading account credit side by closing stock 19,000. Second effect, balance sheet asset. This is closing stock of goods. Now we also have closing stock of stationery. So we subtract it from stationery expense. Stationery stock 2000. Inner column 5000. Second effect, balance sheet asset. Closing stationery stock 2000. Now see how this can happen is at the time of year end, okay, we went to our stockyard and we started counting the closing stock. When we counted the closing stock and found its value, it came to 21,000. And amongst that 21,000, there was a stationery of 2,000. So this stationery is lying unused, and that is the reason we deducted it from stationery expense and transferred it to our asset. Got it, all of you? Got it, all of you? Okay, let's proceed. On machinery, depreciation rate is to be increased up to 10%. So very simple, minus depreciation at the rate 10%. $7,800 outer column. Second effect, to depreciation on machine 7,800. There are other ways also to treat this depreciation on machine when it is given in the trial balance. But right now I don't want to give you option and confuse you. You follow this method only, that wherever depreciation is given in the trial balance, you add back to the respective asset and then apply the rate and do it like a normal adjustment. Now, what if percentage was not given? If it was not given, it was not a problem. Machinery would have gone to asset and depreciation would have gone to this depreciation I'm talking about. This depreciation would have directly gone to our profit and loss. तो फिर हमें कुछ add back करके फिर minus करने का जरूरत था नहीं. Next. Credit sale of 1,000 is recorded in the purchase return book by mistake. So we have to remove it from purchase return. we have to remove it from purchase return. So what we have to do, first of all, let's pass an entry for this and do it. Can you make an entry for this to remove it from purchase return? Okay, let me make an entry for this. So here the entry goes this way. Normal entry for purchase return is creditors account debit to purchase return account credit, but now it will be purchase return account debit to creditors account. So this will be our entry what we have to pass by rupees 1000. So what we do is purchase return debit karna hai. It means what goods comes in. So we add it to our purchases. Is this clear all of you? Is this clear all of you? All of you understood this? Purchase return normally credit hota hai to we deduct because goods goes out. But now we are debiting purchase return. So we are increasing our stock. So we add it to purchase. So now go to trading account. इसमें हम add कर देंगे plus purchase return wrongly recorded 1000. So outer column it will be 79,000. We'll give this a color. Okay. Now creditors भी add हो जाएगा. So plus wrongly recorded purchase return 1000. Creditors will also increase 80,000. Now what is this actually? It is credit sale of 1000 is recorded in purchase return book by mistake. तो purchase return से remove कर दिया. Now credit sale treat करना है तो unrecorded sales plus unrecorded or wrongly recorded in purchase return book. So unrecorded we can write 1000. One one eight. Second effect, debtors, receivables, unrecorded sales, 1000. Twenty-eight 400. So there will be four effect to this. All of you understood this. If any time you are confused what to do, write a journal entry. I think that will help you out. Got it? Now, let's go to the fourth adjustment. 1/4 share of advertisement expense is to be carried forward to the next year. So advertisement expense में से minus कर दो. 1/4 carried forward. So it will be 1/4 is 9,000 is carried forward to the next year. So 27,000 outer column. Balance sheet asset side advertisement expense carried forward. Amount is 9,000. Now, Okay, now check all the adjustment and the effects what we have given. If you have any doubt, let me know. Check all the effects, whether you have given two effects or not. If all is done, then let's start closing. All done? All of you? Okay, let's start closing it. Let's first close trading account. One lakh 37,000. From this, we deduct all of them. 41,400 to profit and loss account. Gross profit 41,400. Transfer it by trading account. Gross profit transferred from trading account. Now we have to see which side is more. 61,000 and debit side is more over here. So let's do the totals. 61,000. Same we write over here. And now find out the loss. Minus 13,000. So by profit and loss appropriation account, net loss transfer it, profit and loss appropriation account, debit side now to net loss or to profit and loss account. 14,000, do the totals. By partners, current account, Dharma 7,000 and Karma 6,000. Underline कर लो और 13,000 outer column. Transfer it to P&L appropriation account. Okay, now over here 7,000, 6,000. Now Dharma evidently debit side is more. 41,500 directly by balance carried forward 31,500. Balance bought forward 31,500. Okay. Then karma credit side is more 3,000. Balance it, transfer it. Now credit balance of karma. So current account 3,000 and debit balance. So current account dharma 31,500 debit balance. Balance sheet tally. Okay, tally हो गया balance sheet. Just go through the sum, see if you have any doubt.